Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you two ways to make double exposure effect in Photoshop. These are really effective and they're really simple. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I need to share my screen. Now, as you can see, my photo, I've already prepared those ones. The first, I'm going to change opacity. The first way to make its effect. And second one is overlay. So I'm gonna make extra layer on my photo. It also makes these photos of exposure effect. Okay, the first one. So you need to open several images, like 1, 2, 3 photos on your Photoshop, in your Photoshop. And now only you can see top layer. Okay. And I'm gonna change its opacity. So here, it's opacity. Now it's 100%. It means you can't see anything underneath. Okay, just change opacity and just click and the slide bar comes up. And then you can make it change opacity. Okay. Okay, now you can see layer underneath. And if you click second layer, layer 1, and also change the opacity, now you can see that layer at the bottom. Now you can see all of the layers, 1, 2, 3. It's one of the ways to make double exposure effect. Just change its opacity. All right. So we're gonna move on to the next. Okay. Now I'm gonna make the changes here. Okay. Just click the top layer, and as you can see here, it says normal here, and then click and just select overlay. Now you can see second layer, and if you click second layer and the same stuff you do, just overlay, it's really blur, not clear, but you can see like city image on the bottom at the bottom. And if you want to make like each image clearer, just change its opacity. It's a bit tricky one. Just click the middle and click and reduce its opacity. And you can play with that and then click the bottom and decrease the opacity. Okay, it changes. Okay, now we just compare with two. So each is different. Opacity means just like a simply change its opacity, it's transparent. And overlay means something a little bit like an overexposure effect we're gonna put in. So I would say it's more dramatic. It's like evenly you can see layer underneath. Okay, there is two ways to make double exposure effect. It's really easy but effective. This one is just change its opacity in here. Okay, the second one is put extra layer effect as overlay. Also, you can select add effect like dissolved and a darken color. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing now. Okay, it's your turn. Enjoy it. Bye.